At Welsh Water, innovation is part of who we are and what we do. With our unique not-for-profit model, we always put our customers first. By 2050, we aim to be a truly world-class, resilient and sustainable water service for the benefit of future generations. But the world is changing, and we must move with it. With a changing climate, ever more stringent regulatory standards and advances in technology, our water and wastewater services will look very different in 25 years' time. We need to develop innovative ways of working to manage these changes and improve our resilience in an ever-evolving world. That's why we work with partners, colleagues and local, national and international businesses to drive innovative thinking in everything we do, to identify best practice and to learn from the best. We're looking at new ways to make even more renewable energy, installing our first wind turbine in Swansea, following Wales's first gas-to-grid site at our Five Fords wastewater treatment works near Wrexham. We're seeking out the latest technologies to ensure our operational needs are met now and in the future, and our buildings and networks are resilient to the challenges they face, so that we can continue to provide the most essential services reliably, efficiently and affordably to our customers. We're working to meet regulatory targets that we know will come along, to make sure our water is the best it can be, and to ensure we're protecting our environment more effectively and efficiently than ever. We're also driving innovation internally, creating an environment where colleagues are encouraged to seek new and better ways of delivering our services, to make their jobs easier, safer, and to benefit our customers and the wider environment. In fact, some of our very best ideas have come directly from our colleagues. Our in-house innovation forums bring innovative technologies, products and ideas into the business so we can manage our long-term challenges with the most contemporary, leading-edge ideas. Innovation reaches every single service, department and colleague in Welsh Water. It brings partnerships together, but most importantly, it helps us to keep bills lower and drive service standards up so that we can continue to provide the best service at an affordable price now and for years to come.
The great advantage of the glass model is that it allows us to plan for the long term. Our aim through innovation is not only to make decisions which are good for our current customers, but we're looking for long-term resilience that will benefit future generations. In terms of our innovation strategy, we have three key elements. First and foremost, it's to meet customer expectations. That's absolutely vital. Secondly, it's to make sure we keep pace with advances in new technology. And the third is to make sure that we take our people with us, that we have capable people able to deliver innovative solutions for our customers.